Okay, we are on day 4, the final day of this week, focusing on these 6 words. Again, they are consistent, which means always the same, inconsistent, which means not always the same or not consistent, and then finally the last word, consistently, which means done in a consistent way. So I am going to read a sentence for you. I want you to determine if the word makes sense. Mr. Smith gets home from work every evening at 5 p.m. He is consistent. Does consistent make sense? Why or why not? In this example, the word consistent does make sense because Mr. Smith is doing something the exact same every day when he is arriving at the same time each night. Let's look at another example. Jenny's baseball team is inconsistent. They win every game. Does inconsistent make sense? Why or why not? Right, in this example, the word inconsistent really does not make sense because we know that Jenny's baseball team is winning every game, and that would make their team pretty consistent. They're doing the exact same thing every time. And we know inconsistent is the opposite, and it means not done the same every time. Let's look at the last example for today. Thomas is consistently late to swim practice. He is almost always on time. Does the word consistently make sense here? Why or why not? Right. The word consistently here does not make sense because it's saying that he is always late consistently, so done in a way that is consistent. But then it says in the second sentence that he is almost always on time. So that's kind of contradicting information there. If he is always on time, then he is consistently on time to practice, done in a way that is consistent. Good job. That wraps up day 4. Tomorrow we will have a review day, again with words that we've learned in the past.